Let's just talk about your collaboration with Mafikizolo.
I met Mafikizolo when it came the MTV Awards last year, if I'm not mistaken. That's where we came here. We shoot, if not last year, this year. We shot the video, and it's now out. It was a great experience because that was my first time working with Mafikizolo, and Mafikizolo are the artists that I've been watching them. I started to be a fan before being a musician. I started to be Mafikizolo's fan. So for me, working with them was a very nice thing, and I was so excited. And good thing is, everything went perfect as what I expected to. So I can't wait for my people to hear the song. I can't wait for the world to hear the song. The song talks about the continent to be united. Like we should all come together. We should bring Africa together, and not only Africa, like any continent. I mean, any continent that I come together, so that we can go more far, so that we can develop that kind of stuff like that. I love the song. That's all I can say.
And what do people not know about Diamond?
I don't smoke. I don't drink. 90% of my time I spend in my work. Like I normally sleep like 6 or 5 a.m. So most of the time I'm in the studio, maybe can be at the office from 1 or 12 p.m. to 6 a.m. That's my life, and I just love my mom.
What makes you happy? What makes Diamond happy?
When I produce nice song, when I drop the song and people like it. My family, my team, when I see them, they're happy, then I'm happy. That's me.
And you said your album is coming out soon.
Yeah, I'm about to drop my international album because I've never done that. The album is gonna have like 10 songs, and I've worked with different artists from different countries in Africa and outside of Africa, and I'm sure you're gonna love the songs because it's not about just dancing and everything. It's about the message. End of the day, it's about the melodies, moves.
And you collaborate with a lot of artists. There's Iyanla, there's Mafikizolo, there's AKA. What makes you, like, have you always wanted to collaborate, or do these people call you in? Is that a passion of yours?
Well, there's other call me, there's other I'm the one who call them to work with. Sometimes it's good to collaborate with different artists because that's where you get united with different artists. That's how you get united your country and other country. It's about come together. It's about love. It's about bring peace to each other. It's about sharing the different experience that maybe I don't have or they don't have. It's about bringing our people together. It's about using our career to the positive way.
Does Diamond have someone in his life? And what type of woman appeals to you?
Yeah, I have a girlfriend called Zari. And I think all who knows me, they know my girlfriend. And I have a kid called Princess Tifa. And I'm happy, and I think I've closed my gate.